welcome back to another video. Today we are going to get ready for my non-existing farewell. Let's get started. I have already done my base because for 20 minutes continuously I was speaking to the camera which was off, and I didn't even notice. So at this time I was speaking to few of my mutuals on Twitter, and they were like, oh, we don't even know what to do, like we don't know, we don't have any goals or dreams. Like, they are in 10th and 12th standard, and by this time I'm making this video they might have even got their results out. I felt like this is what I was doing in my 10th standard. Like, I did not know anything about myself. I'll start with my bronzer. It is from Sugar Contour Force Mini Zero Body Wonder. So where do I even begin with? Oh god. This year 2014, I was giving this test in my tuition classes where the percentile or the marks that you get will determine whether you're fit for IIT JEE or not. And guess what? I scored 95 percentile. 95! I had never seen that number in my whole life, okay? The highest I could reach was 93, and that was in 4th standard, like on cloud 9, okay? I was like, I am made for IIT, okay? I will crack it just like that. I'm going to take computer engineering in IIT Bombay. That exam was so easy for a 10th standard grader. That damn test didn't even have anything near to IIT JEE, and I was so dumb to have like imagined that I would crack IIT if I cracked that exam. Like, oh my god, what was I on? I think I was high on cough syrup. So we are doing engineering. First week of May, my results are out and I got 82.20. My parents are happy, I am happy, my teachers are happy, my classes are happy. My whole house was converted into a call center. My dad is calling, my mom is calling, my friends are calling, my relatives are calling because चैन तो है नहीं जिंदगी में. So right after that, my classes called. I'm sitting in their office. They are telling me how much did you score. I said 82.20. They're like explaining me that for mains the cost is less, for advanced the cost is more. And my mom is like, okay, we'll come back to you later. So we're sitting at home discussing. My mom is like, tell me what you want to do because I don't want to waste my money. I frankly told my mom that I don't want to do a high-end course for nothing. Like, I know I won't be able to crack JEE Advanced. You know what my mom responded with? She goes like, you even want to try. There are students who are trying for it. They're eating nothing. They're studying under the street light. You here, you are getting everything, but you don't want to try, okay? Every other student will say that they want to try. Okay, mommy, give me that class. I want to do advanced. But here you are sitting like a stupid and doing like, I don't know, I want to do main. And I was like, oh my god. I think this is not only just my house, but every other brown kid has to go through this. There began my journey to this foolery of engineering. Fast forward to 12th standard, like in 2015. I am doing terrible in my mock exam. Definitely sure that I won't be able to crack it, okay? Because I hated physics and organic chemistry. The bottom of my intestine, I hated those subjects. Math was fine until integration came into the picture, integration and limits. So at this time, when I was starting to break down, like, no, I don't want to do engineering, I don't want to take science, I hate science. Like, to be honest, I never had anything against science. Like, I loved science so much. But that was baby science, okay? General science. There was a kiddo science. There was a little baby science. I cannot take this anymore. And I mustered all of my courage and told my dad that I cannot do this. I don't think I would be a suitable engineer. Like, okay, so what if you don't want to do engineer, what do you want? Like, what exactly do you have in your mind? And I was like, oh, that's a trick question. I don't know what I want to do. I did not have any aim or dream in my life, like to become an astronaut, I want to become a teacher, anything, nothing like that. I'm using a Color Show blush and the shade Fresh Coral. Eyeshadow, I'm using Makeup Revolution by X Petra eyeshadow palette. My mom then comes out of nowhere and she's like, okay, I know someone of IIT Kharagpur, we are going to him to brainwash you, okay? We are going there and he will brainwash you, so you have to come with us. I was literally like, okay, if I fail, it's not my fault. I have nothing to do with it. So I'm going to start with the shade hashtag on my crease, like blend it out nicely. Somehow, miraculously, I cleared my 12th standard, then my CET exams came. Oh, definitely, I failed in my JEE. Even my engineering admission was such a miraculous thing. Like, I had left all hopes. It was so bad. Like, all the 3 rounds of like the seat allotment, I got nothing. In the 4th round, somehow I got computer engineering, and the college was so near to my house. I used to be such a fanatic over marks. Like, I need to score, I have to score, I have to get good marks. And when I came to engineering, I realized that marks are literally don't matter. Okay, like no one really gives 2 cents about your marks. Like, I'll give you an example. I'm an average student, and there's this another person who is like 9 pointer, 10 pointer in my college or in the university, but they both have the same, like we both have the same package, both work in the same company for the same post. So what's the value? The 12th standard and 10th standard marks are literally nothing. Like, they don't even care. Your 10th standard and 12th standard mark sheets are now used for identity proofs. I'm not disregarding the high toppers, by the way, but I'm just giving an example that marks aren't everything in life. And that's what I have learned from engineering, that that's the only good thing that came out of engineering. I did not even think that I would be so interested in fashion and blogging and makeup and everything. Like, until my 2nd year, I used to believe that blogs cannot be written by an individual. Okay, I used to think that blogs are written by media houses, news channels, and etc. And I know I was stupid, but that's when I learned about blogging and everything. I am really glad I did. Exactly what I want to tell to people like me. Like, if you don't have your dreams in 10th standard, like if you don't have any goals, any dreams in 10th standard, 12th standard, it's completely fine. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Later on, it's going to come together. You will realize what you really want. Like, go with the flow. Okay, life is all about that. Have fun. Go out with your friends. Bunk lectures. Go bunk lectures. Okay, it ain't doing any good to you. No, I mean, study is as important as it is. Like, you should be knowledgeable, you should be educated. I'm using Lakme 925 Black Impact Liner from Color Essence in the shade Maroon. Mascara, I'm using Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. I'm using this lipstick from Maybelline in the shade Burgundy Blush 696. So yeah, I think we're pretty much done. This is the final look. Going to get changed for my farewell and go watch the class of 2020 again. This is for you 10th and 12th standard students. Like, don't worry if you don't have a dream, okay? Like, it does not really matter if you don't have a dream or goal. Just go on with it, and I'm sure it will come through, and you will find your dreams and goals too, just like I did. Enjoy your life, don't stress yourself out much, and all the best for your results. I'm sure you will do better, and I know that you will score better than me. I know that, I just can feel it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon next to it, and follow me on my socials. It's Sumaita_Sahu. And also share your experience down in the comment section, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.